It's a simple application here which can pretty much generate AI tattoos, AI logos, AI posters, AI stickers, pretty much anything related to AI generation. So here you can pretty much find all the AI art that this application here offers. Let's say you want a gaming logo, you can pretty much tap on what you want here.
Apparently, I can just...
Once you have done that, you pretty much can tap on the Google logo option here. And once you have done that as well, you can pretty much enter what you want the logo to be, the gaming logo to be, and that's all up to you guys. Let's say it's a cat logo. We'll be working with that one. You have the option here as well to enter the negative prompt. Pretty much what you don't want in the image or the AI art that's going to be generated. Also, you have the guidance option here, which pretty much enables you to select whether you want the quality to be high or low. And as you can see here, it will take a bit of time for you to get the higher quality completed. But do keep in mind, as you can see there, I'm going to need a subscription for that option. So the image won't even be that of an high quality image. So once you have done set up all of those things, you can then go ahead and tap on generate. Do keep in mind this application is full of ads. There's so many ads that I can't even escape it. So once you have done that, just tap on generate here and it will pretty much load up an ad. Once the ad is finished, you can just tap on continue with limit and it will load up an ad. So once you have watched the ad, as you can see here, it will start creating that AI logo for you. Once the AI logo is finished, it will pretty much be shown here. So as you can see here, once it starts finished generating, it will pretty much show you that ads. Once the ad is done, you'll be able to see the image. As you can see here, you can go ahead and save the image. And pretty much, if you don't like this one, you can tap on the regenerate option. And as well, if you don't like the ads on this application here, you can just tap on remove ads. And you do get their subscription page. As you can see here, this is pretty much their subscription page as it relates to your subscription and so forth. So do keep in mind, this is in my currency, which is Jamaican dollars. So it may look a bit shaky, not USD, it's Jamaican dollars. So that's pretty much it for this application here. Very simple to use. Same thing applies for any one of the images or anything that you want to generate on this application. Or if you just want to generate something, you can just tap on the generate option here and you can find a bunch of things. You can either generate with text or you can generate with image. So that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you guys. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.